Hello, what's up guys, what's up beautiful people, good morning. Yes, so I just work out every morning in my room at this time. It is actually 6:04. Normally I started earlier than this. Before you guys go into this video, I want you guys to please like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Corey Goodas. And this exercise, actually it's working. I was like at 200 and I was at 209, and by doing these simple exercises, actually I start to eat different. Not really different, but I started to eat less instead of more. I eat in portions. I don't really change my diet, you know, and I do my exercise, and it's actually working. I am at 187 now. Really, I don't want to get skinny. I just want to be at really my goal is to be 180 because I like to be thick. That's me. I know most people would want to be less than that, but I like thick, you know. So I'm actually working on my stomach. I have a bulge here, guys, right here. I did a surgery, for those who don't know. Later down I'll tell you what kind of surgery I did, but I have a bulge here, but I'm really trying to get rid of these fats. There was way more. They're actually going down, and I didn't do anything extreme, you understand. All I do is watch my TV and follow what she said to do. Yes. I'm actually following what they said. This does ride up sometimes. It actually makes you sweat. You know, I have a knee injury because I've been doing a lot of this. My room is not that big, guys. This. So actually, whew, guys, this actually build your thighs. It work here, so it's like all of here. Guys, let me teach you something about me. I don't really sweat. So comment down and let me know if that's unhealthy. But I'm not a person that needs to sweat. I could even go without deodorant. 20. So guys, whew.
36, 38, 40, rest time.
Guys, I'm not doing too much of stretch with my back because I just done a surgery, a minor surgery in my back, so I can't really overwork out. Okay, but I hope you guys learned something from this. I know that a lot of y'all scared to go to the gym because of the COVID. I'm so tired. I know some of y'all scared to go to the gym because of the COVID and y'all really want to work out, but y'all be like, oh my god, I can't go there. Listen, it could even be 15 minutes a day. You will be surprised if you dedicate yourself, because I work out every day. Sometimes I don't even do any major workout. Sometimes I would just do like 20 squats and I stretch 20 times and touch my toes up and down. It still works. Oh god, it still does work. You guys remember, this is a sleeping face because I just got up. I have this in my face. Anyway, this is my sleeping face. I just got up. I didn't even brush my teeth, I'm being honest, because I do this every morning, every single morning. So we're gonna get back into it. I'm actually praying up because I've gone like 20 minutes already. I'm very tired. Whew. So a lapse. Whew. You know, sweat under this. This does make me sweat so much, so I have to wear something underneath it. I just sweat a lot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Guys,
16,
I can't do this.
17, 18, 19, 20. Rest time. Up next, cross crunches. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Rest time.
Guys, I am so tired. I'm literally tired. Trust me. I remember, guys, when you're exercising, please take breaks in between. If you are dedicated with your exercise, you don't have to worry, say, oh, I gotta go like a beast. Remember, we as females, we don't want the muscle to show. We just want when we do so, it show. You understand? But we don't want to just show. You understand? I am tired. I'm tired. But I still have a few minutes to leave. I still have like 6 minutes to leave to go. And I gotta complete this task for you guys. So you guys, I'm doing this for you guys. That's the reason why I video it. I don't normally video my room exercise, but the reason why I'm doing it, because I know someone is home and want to get fit and saying, oh, I cannot do this at home, I have to have company, because that was me one time. I used to be like, I have to have company to exercise. Then I was like, Corey, you know where to get out of hand, and there's nobody want to really go to the gym. Everybody want to lose weight. They're talking about, oh, I'm gonna eat this way, I'm gonna eat that way. Bullshit. You could eat all different kind of way, the fat still not go, because it have time when more do that. You understand? I take pills, I take apple cider pills, I do all those things. Nothing can change. But it's when I eat right and the exercise, it helps tone. Because when I first started, what you have to know with exercising, when you first start, you got to remember, you're gonna feel pain, like cramps and stuff like that. A lot of people, they give up when they start to feel pain. But you have to remember, don't give up when the pain come. You understand? When the pain come, that's when you know that you are doing a good job. Normally, that was always my mishap, because I normally stop working out whenever I start to feel pain. Why does she do that? Yes, I normally do that. I normally stop when I start losing pain. When I start to feel pain, I'm like, I'm so cramped. But after a while, eventually the pain goes away. You gotta keep work out, and then the pain, till you're not gonna feel no pain. The only thing you're gonna do, you're going to be working out. You're going to feel tired. Yes. And next thing too, when you are working out, say for example, you said, okay, I'm doing this for 3 months, because a lot of people say, okay, they set a time, whatever, I'm going on a 90 days challenge to lose 10 pounds or whatever. A lot of, and actually guys, I have a certificate in fitness and nutrition, so I know what I'm talking about. Yes, I have a certificate in fitness and nutrition, so I'm not just talking. I could teach about this. So yes guys, and as I was saying, a lot of people, when they start to feel pains, they tend to give up. But no, you can't give up that time. That's the time you're supposed to go harder. And the next thing is, you gotta set your exercise goals. When you are working out, please, say for example, you start off at 10 minutes, because you really don't want to overwork yourself. You don't want to overwork yourself. You start off at 10 minutes for the first 2 weeks. The second week, come on, man. Push yourself. If you say you're going to do 20 squats, push yourself. Add a little one more, panny, man. Because the body don't used to the 20. You understand? You say you was going to do a 25 squat. Add a little 2 more now. Add something. I could have one. Not just every day they do 25. You understand? I could have 1 day out of a week. You add a little extra 5 minutes to the workout. You know, because you know, after a while, everybody used to certain things, even though it's maintaining and keeping toned. Guys, I was so fat the other day. Like, to be honest, I was fat to the point that I was like, girl, you're overweight. But I was still confident in myself. But when I realized the size that I used to wear, and I have to start to buy different sizes, some of my clothes won't fit. I order clothes online, and most of them come, they can't fit me. I have a bunch of new clothes right now that I bought like a year ago that I can wear now. and I almost gave them away. But I tell myself, I'm going to work down. And I just have this thing. Normally, first time when I buy something big, because I was so skinny when I was growing up, I always want to get fat till I get fat. I eat a lot of junk to get fat. Me. I grow up very skinny. Skinny, 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 skinny. I was maga like a stick up until when I was like 18. You understand? And I always wanted to lose weight. I always want to get fat, I must say. My bad. I always want to gain weight. My sister is so argue and she say, you love me, I'm so your maga. I always wanted to gain weight. You understand? I thought I couldn't gain weight and then I gained it. I said no, I could go back down because I wasn't a fat person growing up. I was very skinny and thin. You know? I was so fat at time, slim at time. You could see in here. I have passport picture that I take when they laugh at me. They're like, you can see in your collarbone. It was like, oh, you know? Guys, the other day is like I have a double chin. It's kind of going away. You see that? It's like I have a double chin the other day. It's going away. If you are looking to some of my videos before, my face was fat. It's going down. So guys, as you realize, my exercise at the end. I hope you guys learned something from this. I actually cut my exercise short because I want to drop in some speech. Hope you guys enjoy something from this. If you reach this far and you haven't subscribed, please to do so, because I'm coming with a lot of stuff for you guys where you could learn. I have a lot of motivational speech coming for you guys. I have lots of stuff, lots and lots of stuff. And when I touch a topic, I touch it based off my own experience, not because I'm watching someone or something that I see happen to someone that I know. Yes, so I know what I'm talking about, you know. So guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curvy Goddess. And guys, you can also go over to my sister channel, which is Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes guys, that's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. She have a lot of wonderful recipes there. If you want to learn how to make some Trinidad dish or Jamaican dish, she have it all over there. Yes guys, so bye, I'm out.